Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to a smart wristband model from Xiaomi, the Mi Band 8 Active Smart Wristband. This is a new generation smart wristband from Xiaomi. The device is highly rated for its youthful, fashionable design and many useful features. This is an ideal choice for users looking for a smart band to monitor their health and exercise. And today, let's explore this special smart wristband together. The Mi Band 8 Active has a rectangular shape with a sturdy plastic frame, optimized for overall weight. The wristband is not equipped with hard keys, so all navigation operations will be performed directly on the touch screen. At times when your hands are sweaty, it may be a bit inconvenient to navigate. The product is only 9.99 millimeters thick, excluding the sensor cluster, and weighs 14.9 grams, excluding the strap, providing a more comfortable wearing experience when working, exercising, or sleeping. The back is equipped with a sensor cluster and charging dock. Arranged neatly, the sensor part is slightly raised. If worn too tightly, it may leave marks on the skin, so adjust the strap width appropriately when wearing. The strap of this device is similar to the Mi Band 7. The strap part will always wrap around the edge of the Mi Band 8 Active face. You only need to gently push the face part to separate these two parts, which is extremely convenient when you want to change the strap or simply clean the outside of the device. The Xiaomi Smart Wristband is equipped with a 1.47-inch screen, quite spacious when swiping, and navigation is rarely confused. Using a TFT screen with a resolution of 172 by 320 pixels provides clear images and true colors. The maximum screen brightness of up to 450 nits also helps to display detailed information even under sunlight. Personally, I find the display of the Mi Band 8 Active to be quite good. When viewing text, charts, or some images, they are still very clear. The colors are quite normal, but since it belongs to the cheap segment, I don't expect anything more. The front of the screen is a very sturdy tempered glass layer, which limits scratches during use. Messages and notifications are quickly synchronized from the phone to the wristband. Vietnamese fonts are not faulty, and notifications are not dropped suddenly, which I think is quite easy to read. When I'm focused on work and forget to check my phone, I still don't miss important information thanks to the vibration notification on the Mi Band 8 Active. Xiaomi Mi Band 8 Active uses stable Bluetooth version 5.1 connection, compatible with smartphones running iOS and Android operating systems. The smart band and smartphone will be linked together through the Mi Fitness app. This management application has an easy-to-use interface, so new users of Xiaomi smart wearables will not take much time to get used to it. Mi Band 8 Active does not support direct calling. Instead, it will display call notifications from the SIM card so that I can know when someone is calling me. Mi Band 8 Active is equipped with an optical heart rate sensor to monitor heart rate and SpO2 all day, whether resting or exercising. Alerts will also be sent when the heart rate is too high or too low, helping to detect early abnormalities in the heart. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 Active is an affordable smart sports wristband with a clear display, long battery life, diverse sports modes, and 24-hour health monitoring. It is suitable for users looking for a basic health and fitness tracking device. And those are my personal reviews of the Mi Band 8 Active Smart Wristband. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next videos.